Hi everyone, and for this episode, tayo ay mag-unbox ng dalawang Nomis from version 6, which was given to us, or should I say, gifted to us by one of our sponsors and besties, Maria Adriana Nicole, aka Maddie. Hi everyone, and for this episode, tayo ay mag-unbox ng dalawang Nomis from version 6, which was given to us, or should I say, gifted to us by one of our sponsors and besties, Maria Adriana Nicole, aka Maddie. So, let's do the unboxing. So guys, ito na po siya from version 6, tayo ay mag-unbox. And for your information, ang Nomi ay currently nasa version 10 na. So, good luck sa akin. But so anyway, let's do the unboxing. So, super cute niya. So, let's pull this tab. Super cute. So, sino nga bang aking gusto? Actually, it could be anyone or any of them. So, it could be Nepenthe, Reverie, Eclipse, Morpheus, Aurora, or Solace. Kahit sino man. Oh my gosh. Super cute, super cute. Ay, ang ganda. Guys, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And, kung doon kakamali, meron siyang toy sa loob. But, anyway, oh my gosh. Wait lang, may pakpak pala siya. Wait, pakpak nga ba to? Looks like, but so anyway. 1, 2, 3. Ay, shit! Ay, wow, hi! Wait lang, nakaroll yung eyes niya. You are Eclipse. OMG. Guys, ang cute niya. Alam mo, hindi siya super laki. Hindi siya kagaya ng mga ibang Nomi dolls. Well, meron ng mga ibang versions na maliliit lang. I guess, siguro ano ba, ka-level niya. And, umiikot ang kanya mga legs. Both legs, umiikot siya. Para medyo may pagka-mechanical siya, actually. Ewan ko lang kung nabubuksan yung toy niya. Kasi, ay, hindi ata. Parang akala ko kasi nabubuksan siya. But so anyway, ito yung mata niya. Ito yung first version ng mata niya. Ito naman yung second. Ito naman yung third. Super cutie. As in, super cutie. Super cute. Hello, Eclipse. Super cutie. Super. Ang cute nyo. And the details are so giving. Guys, meron siyang pakpak ko. Super cute. My gosh. Super cute. And, tingnan natin ang kanyang card. Wait lang. So, we have the card here. Wait lang. Ito pala yung ring niya. And to those who are wondering, this is a keychain sa mga bag or kung ano man. This is not your ordinary doll. It's a keychain. So, ayun, cute niya, shucks. Super cute. And of course, meron siyang silica gel. You know, just to prevent moisture. So, kung i-keep mo siya sa loob ng cabinet, ilagay mo to para, you know, hindi siya amagin or kung ano man. But this is so cute, my gosh. And guys, let's proceed to box number 2. So, ang una natin nabuksan kanina ay si Eclipse. So, for the second box, again, it could be any one of them kasi they're all freaking gorgeous. Like, hello, this is so giving. Like, hello. Anyway, ito sa... Wait lang, nasa ba yung tab? So, ito yung tab. Woohoo! Shock! Super ganda. Ang ganda ng packaging, oh. Like, super talaga. Like, OMG. Nomi! Fantasy World. So, wala lang. Super ganda talaga. 1, 2, 3. Ay, wala eh. Wait lang. Ay, nakabaliktad siya ulit. Ah, wow. Wait lang. May ribbon siya. May ribbon? Ah, okay. Ito yung... Ah, okay. Ito yung tag. Okay. So... Again, meron siyang pakpak. Hindi ko alam na meron pala siyang pakpak. Yung version 6. But anyway... Sana hindi nakabaliktad yung kanyang mata para hindi siya masyadong creepy tignan. Anyway, 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, she is so freaking pretty! OMG! Wow! Hindi pala na-open tong toy. Hindi pa talaga siya na-open. Let's see. Sabay niya sira, oh. Charot. Wait lang. Parang hindi naman. Pero parang may nakita kong video na nabubuksan siya. Pero, you know, pag-aaralan ko muna ha. But so anyway, her name is Aurora. Tama ba? Aurora. Aurora and Eclipse. Oh my gosh, I have two opposing colors. Well, actually, they're not colors. We have white and black. So, hindi sila part ng color. White is not a color, black is not a color. Ah! Super cute! Hi, Eclipse! Hi, Aurora! Hey, guys! Ay, wait lang. Ay, papakita ko muna yung ano. Tapos agad. Papakita ko muna yung kanilang mga mata. Yung mata ni Aurora. Wow, it's brown. It's brown. So, this is the first version. This is the second one. Kita ba? And the last one. So again, this was given to me nung birthday ko and you know, I'm just so super thankful, super happy. May bago na naman tayong aalagaan na mga Nomi dolls. Anyway, see you on our next episode. Bye! Bye from Eclipse and bye from Aurora. So, ayun na nga, before I forget, let's look at the details again. Again, meron siyang pakpak. Tapos, the legs are movable, as in like 360 degrees. And we have, again, the card. Wait lang. We have the ring. We have the card. Again, this is Aurora. Super cute. And the silica. Wait lang. Eto siya. Silica ba? Silicone. Silica. Anyway, yun lang. They're so cute, OMG. Bye!